Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. Zimbabwean businessman Wicknell Chivayo has placed $1 million United States to facilitate the urgent repatriation of Zimbabweans stranded in South Africa following instructions from President Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa. Chivayo announced the pledge on Sunday after paying a courtesy visit to the president at the State House. He said President Mnangagwa expressed deep empathy over Zimbabweans camped at the embassy in South Africa and ordered immediate assistance. His Excellency gave me explicit instructions to donate $1 million United States towards repatriation, Chivayo said. He requested 24 hours to mobilize the funds through business associates, relatives and banks and undertook to avail the money to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs by 8 a.m. Monday. The president also appealed to affected citizens to return home and rebuild the country in line with the mantra, Nyika inovakwa nevene vayo. Chivayo asked the business community to support government efforts, saying the Second Republic is leaving no one and no place behind, as it works towards Vision 2030. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.